The 3 secrets to using AI to get promoted faster than your coworkers. Most corporate professionals are using AI completely wrong. They use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot for small tasks, writing emails, summarizing meetings, fixing grammar, and making PowerPoints. That helps, but the professionals moving up faster are using AI to become more valuable. Welcome back to AI Technology Chronicles, where we break down the latest AI news, tools, and trends so corporate professionals and anyone interested in AI can stay informed, sharpen their skills, and prepare for this AI revolution. Today, we're breaking down 3 secrets to using AI to stand out at work. Secret number 1, use AI to think better, not just write faster. Use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini as a thinking partner. Ask ChatGPT to turn rough ideas into executive updates. Ask Claude to rewrite reports into leadership summaries. Ask Gemini to compare options before a meeting and give pros, cons, risks, and next steps. That makes you look more strategic. Secret number 2, use AI to become more organized than your coworkers. Use Microsoft Copilot, Notion AI, Asana AI, Otter.ai, Fireflies.ai, and Fathom.ai. In Teams, Copilot pulls recaps, decisions, and action items. In Outlook, Copilot summarizes email threads and drafts replies. Otter, Fireflies, and Fathom summarize meetings and write follow-ups. Notion AI and Asana AI turn messy notes into tasks, owners, deadlines, blockers, and next steps. Managers trust people who make work easier to track. Before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe to AI Technology Chronicles. Follow the podcast on your favorite podcast platform and hit subscribe so you do not miss the daily breakdowns on the latest AI news, tools, and trends shaping the future of work. Secret number 3, use AI to create visible business value. Use Perplexity AI or Gemini before client calls or leadership meetings. Ask Perplexity to research the company, competitors, recent news, trends, and risks. Turn that research into talking points. Use Excel Copilot, Julius AI, or Power BI Copilot to analyze data. Ask what changed, what improved, where the risk is, and how to explain the insight in plain English. Use Gamma, Beautiful.ai, or Canva AI to turn ideas into polished presentations and visuals. The goal is not to look busy. The goal is to create work people can see, use, and remember. Here's the real takeaway. AI is not just a shortcut. AI is leverage. The smartest professionals are asking, which AI tool can make me more valuable in this exact situation? Check the work, add your judgment, make it sound human. If you got value from today's episode, make sure you follow and subscribe to AI Technology Chronicles. This is AI Technology Chronicles. We'll see you on the next episode, my friends.